Okay, this topic is very simple. What you need to do is to use circle theorems. Think of your circle theorems first and apply them to find each and every angle, right? You can even use angle theorems, right? Like for instance, we have this triangle and this side is a radius, is the same and as this one as this side. So it implies that this angle is also equal to this angle, right? So do not forget this theorem, right? So we say to find this angle, which is OAD, we say 180 minus 50, then you divide by 2 to share it with the angle D, right? So 180 minus 50, we get 130, divided by 2, we get 65 degrees. So it implies this angle is equal to 65 degrees and this angle is equal to 65 degrees, right? Let's move on to find another angle, right? I can find this angle, right? This line is a straight line. So angles on a straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. So what you need to do to find this angle, you say 180 minus 50, right? So this one, it implies that is what? 130 degrees, right? We can also find this angle from circle theorems, right? Angles at the center is twice angle at the circumference, right? So what you need to do to find this angle, you need to say 50 divided by 2 to find this angle. It implies that this angle is equal to 25 degrees, right? We are done with this one. It's 25 degrees. So this one is 25 degrees and this one is 130 degrees. So we can be able to find this angle. We say 130 plus 25 degrees from 180 degrees. You can find this one, right? Even without applying that concept, we can say this angle is the same as this angle, since this side is the same as this. They are all radial. So you can say this one is 25 and this one is also 25 degrees. Even if you say 130 plus 25 from 180, you can be able to find this angle as well, right? Then we can apply angle theorems, which says these lines, if they are parallel, we have what we call Z angles, right? So these Z angles, like we have this line and this line, this means they are parallel. This marks, they means they are parallel, which means this Z angle, we have 25 degrees and we have what? 25 degrees. This one, it means this one is what? Is 25 degrees. Do not apply this theorem when you are not told that this side is parallel to this side. Do not assume laws. Do not assume laws, right? So okay, okay, let me try to see if I have find some of the angles, right? OCA, right? I now have OCA, which is 25 degrees. OAD, is what? 65 degrees, right? ABC, right? Not yet, right? We want to find this angle, right? Okay, let me see if I have CAB, okay? Not yet, right? So to find this angle, you see, we have what we call a cyclic quad. We have this angle, right? All angles are on the circle, right? So opposite angles of a cyclic quad, they are supplementary. It means they add up to 180 degrees. You have to think these theorems very fast. We have to think them very fast, right? So this angle and this angle, if we add them, they give us 180 degrees. So to find this angle, ABC, we say 180 degrees minus 65 degrees, right? So we say 180 minus 65. So it will be 115 degrees. So we have 115 degrees. So to find CAB, you now need to say 180 minus 25 plus 115 degrees, right? So we have 25 plus 115, which is 140. So we have 180, 1 minus 180, which is 40 degrees. So it implies that we have 40 degrees. Guys, it's very simple to do second geometry. Practice your theorems day by day. Thank you.